I mentioned to my wife this morning that I'd like to have some strawberries with my breakfast, and she went out to the garden and picked strawberries, brought a bucket back into the kitchen for me, and I just wanted to thank her publicly for all that she's done in the garden and for what a wonderful person she is. I know Mother's Day is coming here, where we really appreciate our wives and our mothers. But I'm also blessed to have a garden. If you feel like you're blessed to have a garden, put a comment down below. But it is wonderful to be able to have fresh produce, fresh fruits, just walking outside the door and grabbing that from the backyard. If there was ever a time to have fresh produce and fruit, now is the time to do that. You know, we have food storage as being people who are preparedness minded, and we have found that having a garden dramatically extends how long our food storage lasts. And so maybe a year's supply of food storage would last a year and a half or 2 or 3 years when you're adding fresh produce to that. So something to keep in mind if you are conscious about being able to control the quality and the quantity and the availability of your food. And also if you want to supplement your food storage, you may consider putting in a garden. And who wouldn't want these beautiful strawberries for breakfast in the morning? Also, wanted to thank everybody for the great support that we received yesterday when we announced that we have the LDS Prepper Premium Micronutrient Mix. So many of you took advantage of the bulk discount and saved 38% on your shipments, and we are busy all day today getting those orders out for you. So thanks so much. But I just wanted to put a message out on being blessed and having abundance by having a garden and being able to supplement what we have in food storage. This is LDS Prepper reminding you, if you are prepared, you're blessed. If you feel that you're blessed, I'd love to see a comment down below. Thanks so much, and thank you for your support.